Hello students, welcome to our next lecture in Bridge Course lecture series for BSc Part 1st. I am Assistant Professor Vishakha Kadam from Professor Sambhajirao Kadam College, Deur. Now, today's topic is differential equations. It is also an important concept in mathematics. Differential equation is the branch of mathematics that start with one or many recorded observations of change and ends with one or many functions that predict future outcomes. Now we start our lecture. Firstly, we see that which points comes in our lecture. In this lecture, first we discuss about definition of differential equation, ordinary differential equation, order of the differential equation, degree of the differential equation, solution and method of finding the solution of differential equation, types of differential equation, applications of differential equation. So, firstly we see that definition of differential equation. The equation involving derivatives of dependent variable with respect to independent variable is called as differential equation. For example, dy upon dx is equal to f dash of x. It is a differential equation. But why this is a differential equation? The explanation is that variable y, which is depend on x, then our function is y is equal to f of x. So x is a independent variable and y is a dependent variable. Then we differentiate this equation, we get dy upon dx is equal to f dash of x. That is, it is a differential equation because it contains differential coefficient. In simply, the equation that have differential coefficient is called as differential equation. The next point is ordinary differential equation. A differential equation in which the dependent variable, say y, depends only on one independent variable, say x, is called as ordinary differential equation. The next point comes in our lecture is that order and degree of the differential equation. First we see that what is the order of differential equation. The order of differential equation is defined as the order of the highest order derivative appearing in the differential equations. For example, x square into d2y upon dx square plus 2x into dy upon dx plus y is equal to 0. It is a differential equation. Then question is that what is the order of this equation? Answer is order is equal to 2. But why this is order is equal to 2? Because highest order derivative is of order 2. Therefore, order of this differential equation is 2. The next point is degree of differential equation. The degree of differential equation is the power of the highest order derivative when all derivatives are made free from negative or fractional indices if any. For example, d2y upon dx square plus x into dy upon dx plus y is equal to 2 into sin x. The question is that what is the degree of this equation? Answer is degree of this equation is equal to 1. Here highest order derivative is d2y upon dx square and its power is 1. Therefore, order of this equation is 2 and degree of this equation is 1. The next point comes in our lecture is that solution of differential equation. Any relation between independent variable and dependent variable which does not involve differentials such that this relation is called as solution of differential equation. The solution of differential equation contain general solution and particular solution. The question is that when we get general solution and particular solution, The answer is when we first performed integration, we obtained a general solution, that is involving a constant k or c, and we obtain particular solution by substituting known values of x and y. The next point comes in our lecture is that method of finding the solution of differential equation. There are two methods of finding the solution of differential equation, that is separation method and integration method. The first is separation method. Separation of the variable is done when the differential equation can be written in the form of dy upon dx is equal to f of y into g of x, where f is the function of y only and g is the function of x only. And second method, integrating factor. Integrating factor technique is used when the differential equation is of the form dy upon dx plus p of x into y is equal to q of x, where p and q are the functions of x only. The next point is that types of differential equation. There are 6 types of differential equation, such that first is ordinary differential equation, second is partial differential equation, third is linear differential equation, fourth non-linear differential equation, fifth homogeneous differential equation, and sixth is a non-homogeneous differential equation. In this way, we get basic information about differential equation. Now we see the applications of differential equations. The differential equations applicable in the medicines for modeling cancer growth or spread the diseases. It is also useful in engineering for describing the movement of electricity. In chemistry for modeling chemical reaction and to computer radioactive half-life. The differential equation also applicable in economics to find the optimal investment strategies. In physics to describe the motion of waves. It is also used in Newton's second law of motion and law of cooling. Thank you.